welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Andrew and we're currently doing Stat Math at University of Toronto. Today we'll be going over some commonly asked math questions at both the high school and college levels. If you need some homework help or tutoring, please check out the link in the description below. Alright, so now let's start our session for today. Okay. Alright, so the first question asking us to prove that every square is a rectangle, a rhombus, parallelogram, a quadrilateral, and a polygon. Okay. All right, so let's write our solution here. So first we need to know what a square is. Okay, so definition. So square is a closed figure having 4 equal sides. So 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. 4 right angles, which is 90 degrees each. Okay, and it is a closed figure. Okay, and in order to prove that it satisfies the statement above, we need to discuss the properties of each. Okay, so first let's start with rectangle. Okay, so rectangles. So rectangle is a 4-side polygon with 2 opposite sides being equal and parallel. And it has 4 right angles, which is 90 degrees. And the graph should be, the diagram should be something look like this. Oops. Okay. So as you can see here, the green, the yellow lines are equal and parallel, and the green side are equal and parallel as well, with 4 90 degrees angle. Okay, so that's what rectangles are. And next we have rhombus. Okay, so rhombus is a polygon that has 4 equal sides having congruent opposite angles. Okay, and the diagram should be something look like this. Should be the same way. Yeah, this better. So the sides are all equal, and they're having congruent opposite angles. So let's say that's x degrees. This will be x degrees as well. If this is y degrees, then this is y degrees as well. Okay, and they're having 4 equal sides. Okay, so that's what rhombus are. Okay, so next we have parallelogram. Okay. So parallelogram. So this is a polygon that has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Having its opposite angles being congruent. Okay, so our diagram should be something look like this. And if this is x degree, then this angle will be x degree as well. If this is y degree, then the opposite will be y degrees as well. And as you can see from the diagram, the green sides are equal, and the yellow sides are equal as well, and they're equal and parallel to each other. Okay. Okay. And next we have quadrilateral. And this is just any closed shape that has 4 sides. And remember, it has to be closed. Okay, that's a key word here. And lastly, we have polygon. Okay, so polygon is a closed shape made up of at least 3 lines, or 3 line segments joining at the endpoint. Okay. Okay, so after identifying polygon, quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangles, we can give our conclusion about square. So, therefore, square is rectangle since it has two equal sides with four right angles. Let's copy down the diagram for square. Oh, we haven't done so. Okay. So let's just draw a square right here. Okay. So for 90 degrees angle and all sides are equal. Okay. So that's for the rectangle part. Next we have square is also rhombus since it has four equal sides. Okay. And next is parallelogram. Square is also a parallelogram since its opposite sides are parallel. Since its opposite sides are parallel. Okay. And next we have quadrilateral. Square is quadrilateral since it is a four-sided closed shape. Okay. Since it is a four-sided closed shape. And lastly, it is also a polygon since it made up of four line segments connecting at the end point. Okay. So now we prove everything, and we know that every square is a rectangle, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a quadrilateral, and a polygon. Okay. Okay. So let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. We're done. Let me zoom in this a bit. Okay, so next question. We have a box with a square base and no top. It's to be made from a square pieces of cardboard. No top is to be made from a square piece of cardboard by cutting 7-inch square from each corner and folding up the side. Folding up the side. Okay. And we're given the box is to hold 7623 inch cube, and we're asked how big a piece of cardboard is needed. Okay. All right. So now let's first draw a diagram. So the base is square. Okay. And there's no top. Should be something look like this. And okay. So first, let's recall that if we want to calculate the volume, that will be equal to length times width times height. Okay. And okay. So in terms of length, let's use capital L to indicate that would just be equal to x minus 14, and the width is just w. It's also x minus 14 since it's a square, and height would just be 7. Okay, and now we have 7623 is equal to x minus 14 times x minus 14 times 7. Okay, so we move the 7 to our left hand side, so we're left with x minus 14 squared on our right hand side, and 7623 divided by 7 will be equal to so this 6 0 okay, it's gonna be 1089 will be equal to x minus 14 squared. And if we take a square root on both sides, that will give us just give me a second. So that's going to give us root 1089 is equal to x minus 14 squared to the square root. So that will give us 33 is equal to x minus 14. And we plus 14 on both sides. That will give us x equal to 47 and h. Okay, so now we can write our conclusion. Therefore, the cardboard dimension is given by 47 inch by 47 inch. Okay, so now let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. We're done. Okay, so for our next question, we're looking for the derivative of ln x squared. Okay, all right. So first, we let y is equal to ln x squared. Okay, and we set up u is equal to x squared. So we have y is equal to ln u, and now we apply the chain rule. We will have dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx, and d dx ln x squared will be equal to d du ln u times d dx x squared, and that will give us 1 over u times 2x. Okay, and noted d du ln u is equal to 1 over u, and d du un is equal to nu to the exponent of n minus 1. So now we substitute u is equal to x squared. So now the derivative of ln x squared will be equal to 2x over x squared, which is gonna be 2 over x, because the x as a denominator and numerator are just cancelled out with each other. Okay, and that will give us our correct answer. Okay. And now let's leave a comment. Yep, so the way I just showed is just one way of solving this derivative, and you can also look the answer right here. So another way to solve this is to simplify it first using the power rule of the logarithm, which is ln a to the exponent of b is equal to b ln a. So ln x squared, let me just write it down here. So the power rule is given by ln AB is equal to B ln A. So in our case, ln x squared will be just equal to 2 ln x. Okay. And then you can just follow in the step, and you will still get 2 over x for your answer. Either way works. So let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. Well done. Okay, so those are all the questions for today. And if you enjoyed today's Q&A and would like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. If you would like to submit your own questions, please visit the link in the description. Remember to leave a like and a comment and share this video with your friends. And this has been Andrew from OneClass.